Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We haven't forgotten those wonderful places and times sharing great stuff with great friends. We've got some of those old neighborhood recipes, and we're here to share them with you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Recipes Show. You don't have to be a superstar chef to turn out excellent old-fashioned, old neighborhood meals and wonderful side dishes. What you do need is some basic skill, passion for satisfying dining, and good quality ingredients. That's our mission statement here at ONC, the Old Neighborhood Cooking Show Video Cookbook. Here is a wonderful old world, old neighborhood lunch, or a really special side dish to an old school Greek meal or an Italian spread. Green beans and tomatoes with polenta.
Okay.
I identify the voice just because she is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I super minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, you adore you.
Alright guys, let's shut her down and get ready for the next episode. Turn TV.
Kind of stuff.
Wake up! Is that the only way did it get through to you? Do what they all do? Bust like a hot water balloon?
Doc, what's...
Music. Music for you. Music for your friends. Music for people you don't even know. We have all kinds of music for parties, weddings, concerts, bar mitzvahs, and shotgun weddings, personal performances, street fairs, anything. If you can't find that one perfect ingredient to make your culinary preparation absolutely stunning, you have to go to e10 Cuisine. Dave and Tom specialize in tracking, acquiring, and delivering those hard-to-find but unquestionably necessary Epicurean elements. They'll go wherever they need to find those perfect delicacies. e10 Cuisine will bring exactly what you need right to your door. Jumbo eggs from a left-handed leghorn. Hand-picked morels from that secret patch of woods in Michigan. Huckleberries from Oregon. The freshest flying fowl. Extra virgin olive oil from that little farm in Sicily. Wild salmon from Seattle. 45-year-old balsamic vinegar from Dave's family in Medina. That just right chocolate from Brussels, Belgium. Those perfect eclairs from Boulanger Patisserie on Rue Cadet in Paris.